Hi everyone, this is Mohit from Cordlio Consulting. So here today we are gonna discuss on your lead account contact opportunities and how to view and create reports in dashboard. So let's start this. One is this is your app launcher. आप इस app launcher पे जाके you can click on your application. So when you click on this, a list of tabs will open. तो इसमें आपको लीड्स अकाउंट कॉन्टैक्ट अपॉर्चुनिटीज रिपोर्ट्स डैशबोर्ड चैटर एंड होम पेज दिखेंगे. So let's start with the leads. So this is your lead. Lead is nothing, this is just a prospect and a suspect, and you can convert these leads into your account contact and opportunities. Opportunities are nothing, this is just a deal which can be closed won or lost, right? So let's start with this lead, and this is the first thing. Whenever you get a new contact, or whenever you discuss a new deal with someone, or someone new for you, so you need to enter that person name and his or her company name into these lead section. So this is buttons like new, import, change status, and change the ownership. And this is the list view for you. आप यहाँ लिस्ट व्यू से जाकर चेंजेस कर सकते हैं. आपको लाइक ऑल लीड्स देखनी है, या फिर माय लीड्स देखनी है, रिसेंटली व्यूड देखनी है, टुडेज लीड्स देखनी है, हाउएवर यू आर कंफर्टेबल, राइट? सो यू कैन स्विच बिटवीन दीज लिस्ट व्यूज. आप यहाँ पे इसे पिन दिस लिस्ट व्यू भी कर सकते हैं, ताकि बाय डिफॉल्ट जब भी आप लीड सेक्शन पे वापस आए तो बाय डिफॉल्ट हमेशा आप ऑल लीड्स पे ही आए. सो दिस इज फॉर दिस. दिस इज द सर्च दिस लिस्ट. आपको अपने लिस्ट व्यू में कुछ भी सर्च करना है, आप यहाँ सर्च में जाके वो टाइप कर सकते हैं एंड प्रेस एंटर टू गेट इट डन. And this is your table and Kanban view. With this Kanban view, you can view the section wise or status wise your leads. So अभी हम सबसे पहले एक new lead बनाएंगे. So I'm just clicking on this new button, and this window will open. So यहाँ पे you need to enter lead source, like whether it's a phone inquiry, inbound email, research, data procurement, networking events, references, other references, or LinkedIn. So for example, by research, I got this lead. The company name is Cordlio Consulting. Phone number is, for example, mobile number is also same. Mr. Mohit Sharma. The title. Here you need to enter the email addresses. And कितने अमाउंट की आपकी लीड है, जो भी आप डील डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. आप फर्स्ट टाइम मोहित शर्मा से मिले हैं फ्रॉम कोडलियो कंसल्टिंग, और उनका क्या टाइटल है, उनकी क्या ईमेल आईडी है, फोन नंबर, मोबाइल नंबर, और किस अमाउंट की डील, क्या डिस्कशंस कर रहे हैं आप उनके साथ अपनी फर्स्ट रिक्वायरमेंट डिस्कशन में, तो वो आप यहाँ पे डाल सकते हैं. बिकॉज दिस इज मैंडेटरी फील्ड फॉर यू. यू कैन सी. So I'm just putting any amount. So यहाँ पे we can select opportunity type, whether it's project level funding or program level funding. This is the lead type, new acquisition or renewal. If I choose this, so this is my lead status. This is the first time, and if you have started working with this lead, then you can select this working contacted. these all are the statuses. So for this is the first time I'm putting these things in my lead, so I don't need to uh, push reason for disqualification for now. So this is the matic area where we need to select whether it's education, skill, healthcare, women empowerment, nutrition, or others. So if I select this, and if there is any other matic area, then we can write down here in the matic area others. So this is source of budget. So these two fields are dependent on each other. Like if I select HR, then the sub source of budget will be employee engagement, payroll giving, digital donation drive, physical donation drive. If I select marketing, then I do have CRM, organic events, inorganic events, marathon, or other marketing campaigns. If I choose CSR, then we do have these many options like education, skill development, healthcare, women empowerment, nutrition, and others. And if I choose other, then others, child support, healthcare, and youth support, patient support, general donation. So we can select these many options as per the source of budget. All right. So let's move with this HR budget, employee engagement. So whether they do have the budget defined in their company or not, so we need to select this. Have they decided the location of this project? Yes or no? Then we can select and deselect this from here. So these are the addresses details we need to put. So we can add street address, city, postal code, state, and country. If you need to search within Google, if you don't want to enter anything here, so we can put any address nearby my location. So I'm just putting an address. Okay. If you need to add some description over here, you can do that. So I just put a description here. I had discussion with Mohit and they are ready, but need to discuss one more time with his manager. All right, I can save this. I can save in new, I can save this and I will directly, jump to a new page again and I can cancel it also. So I'm just saving it for now. So I just have created a lead here. So here you can see this is your lead record page, right? So this is my detail page here, and I can see if I found any potential duplicate here, then it will alert me here. This is my highlighted section where I can see my uh, highlighted details like title, company, phone number, and email address. Here I do have these buttons. Like if I need to follow, my manager wants to follow this guy Mohit Sharma, then he or she can click on this and she can get updates whenever I update it. They will also get an alert on them on their chatter. So this is convert button. So I'll discuss on this. And this is your edit button. If you want to change any, if you want to change something in your lead, then you can click on this and you can change it. This is your delete button. All right. So this is the information. This is my created by and modified by Mohit Sharma, and what was the date and time, and what was the date and time. All right. This is the activity. Whatever activities I'm doing, like if I just had a call with Mohit and I'm calling him, I just had a discussion with him, so I can recap my call over here. I just need to put my discussion details over here. Mm, so from here you can add your log call, or you can create a new task and new event. if i want if I want to log a call, then I need to click on this log a call button, then recap your call, and then I can add this as I just had a call with Mohit. What were my comments here? I called him, but his number is not reachable, and I can save it. So it will become my history over here. So this is my history over here, like a call, right? You can see when I call them. So if I have any upcoming events or task, then I can view in this upcoming and overdue section. Like, I'm just going to create a task, send letter, due date is 3rd of December. All right, status note started. So we need to send a letter to Mohit. So you can see this is my upcoming and overdue task, which is tomorrow. So this is how we can log activities. In the same way, we can create a new event. So what is the difference between a new task and new event is new task is always your to-do list. Like, you have a due date on that. Like, till this date, you can complete this task. But new event is your calendar event. Like, within this time frame, you have to complete this. Like in the new task, we were viewing this due date only. New event, we do have this start and end date. Like, so within period of time, we will have to complete this. And again, we can add notes here if you want, and if you have any files to attach here, so we can directly upload them from our computer. So if you want to add something, then we can do that. So now this is my lead status. So now I can move to different statuses over here, like concept note and proposal. I just had discussion with them. Now my lead is on the negotiation stage. Now this is on in principle approval process. And the final stage will be MOU and contract signing. So once I select this MOU, and then I need to convert. So before converting it, so you can see it will become an account, contact, and opportunity. So my account name will be Codelio Consulting. This is the record type, whether it's a organization account or a household person account, right? So this is definitely a organization account. If we already have these account in our existing account database, then we can choose existing, and then we can search over here and we can select that. But for now, this is our first contact over here, so we need to create new. This is our contact. So this Mohit Sharma will become a contact of Codelio Consulting. We can add multiple contacts against our account. And again, this is opportunity. We can also create multiple opportunities against a company or a person, right? So whether it's a program level funding or project level funding, we need to choose this over here. And the opportunity will be, I can select my opportunity name and then I can convert it. So you can see why I did this, so that I can showcase this to you. Like, you cannot convert a lead without changing the lead status to MOU contract signing in the previous stage. All right. So before converting it, we need to save this. I need to save it in on this MOU contract signing. So once I select this and I convert it, I'll definitely will be able to do that. So now you can see we have easily moved to account, contact, and opportunity. So what convert button has done, it has created a company with the name Codelio Consulting, our contact person Mohit Sharma, and an opportunity Codelio Consulting. All right. So here it also added the amount which I picked in my lead database, and this is the stage, the first stage contract created. So I can go back to my leads. I can create a new task over here. If I want, if I want to directly move to Codelio Consulting account, then I can select this. If I want to choose Mohit Sharma, then I can click on this and I can go to contact database of mine. And if I need to directly jump to this opportunity, and then I can click on this and I'll be redirecting to this opportunity section. So this is my opportunity. All right. So again, we do have this edit button, delete button, and clone button. Okay. So we have three stages here. One is your contract created, deliverable created, and payment created. So this is our detail page of opportunity, and this is our related information like payments, deliverables, contracts, payments, notes and attachments, stage history, everything we do have here. This is our activity section, and this is chat. So if I want to create a new delivery, I need to choose this, and then I can create my deliverables, whatever deliverables I promised to this company. So this is opportunity name, deliverable name is letter or quotation or confirmation letter, whatever it is. I'm not sure what you guys use, but I'm just taking an example. So this is a due date, like by when I need to send this deliverable to them. And this is the expiration notice, and this is the contract. So before creating this, we need to create a contract as well. Without contract, we won't be able to create any deliverable. So in the same way, we can add multiple deliverables, and later on we can save this or cancel this. So we can create multiple deliverable against our opportunity. And to create this, we need to create a contract as well. So we can move to a related list. We can create a new contract here. Contract start date I can choose. Account name will be Portfolio Consulting Organization. Owner expiration notice, I choose 30 days. Contract term, I'm choosing 12. So this is on the draft status. I can choose billing address, shipping address over here, special terms if you would like to add. And here we can add description and the customer signed by the person who is responsible for this contract we can choose, and the company person who is responsible for this. So we can choose these things and we can create a contract. And later on we can create the new delivery here. So confirmation letter, due date will be by 4. We need to send this to him. Explanation notice, 10 days it be. And for which contract I'm choosing this. Requirements we can add as per details, and here I can save this. So here we can see in this related list, so deliverable has been added, right? We need to send this confirmation letter. Here it also has created the payment and how we are gonna send this payment and receive. This is the payment status which is unpaid for now, right? Once they pay this amount, then we can choose it to the paid. If you want to schedule these payments, we can do from here. This is the notes and attachments we need to add, and this is the state history. So deliverables created, mark as current status. So once you create the payments, we can select this and we can save this. And here we can, this is our account. So this is the list view. Again, we can move to the different list views. Okay. This is the contact. So this is the contact person which I created, Mohit Sharma, in my lead, and then I converted it. I can see this all contacts birthdays of this month, my contacts, new last week, recently viewed contacts, and all. So from here we can do that. And again, this is our account. So if you go into this account, you can again, move to this related list, and then you can see how many opportunities you do have against this, how many contracts you do have, affiliated contacts with this. So these many things which we can do within account. The last thing is our reports and dashboard. We can go to these reports. So we can find, all reports over here. We can also find out the folders here. So in the all reports, we can see these reports. So let me create a new report for you. So if I would like to create a report on the leads or accounts or contacts or opportunities, then I need to select from these many report types. So if I would like to create a report on these leads, then I need to choose this and then continue. I can edit the name, leads by status. If you would like to group by the company, then we can do that. So from Codely Consulting, we do have only one lead for now, which is Mohit Sharma. And we can also add the chart here. So here you can, so this is how you can add the chart if you would like to change the charts, so we can do it from here. So this is how it works. And we can then save and run it, save it, close it, or run it. So we do have these many options here. Save and run. This is my lead. In which folder I would like to save it, I can select the folders from here and then save it. So this is the refresh button. If you want to subscribe these reports, you can subscribe it. So Salesforce will send these reports on your email ID. So whatever date, time, a day, weekly basis, daily basis, or a monthly basis you would like to receive these reports, on which day you would like to receive that, at what time. So you can select this and then we can save it. It will keep on sending these reports to us on our email ID. So this is the home page. So here, this is the assistant, which will keep on guiding us, like the number of leads are pending or number of leads without any activity. So it will keep on guiding us. This is my today's task. I can filter it on the basis of these many list views. What all are my tasks, right? I can select this, my today's events if I do have, and then I can view my events on this calendar, or I can plan my events on this calendar as well. So thank you for your time. I hope it will help you out to manage your leads, account, and opportunities. And in case of any doubt, you can directly reach out to me. My number is 8527845450. So thank you again for your time. Have a good day. Bye.